Mannheim is a vibrant city located in southwestern Germany, nestled along the Rhine River. Known for its unique grid-like city layout, Mannheim stands out among European cities, offering a blend of historical charm and modern innovation. The city's origins trace back to the early 17th century, when it was officially established in 1607, transforming from a small settlement into a bustling hub of commerce and culture over the centuries. One of Mannheim's most distinctive features is its city plan, which features a perfect square grid pattern, often called the Quadratestadt, or City of Squares. This design was implemented in the early 17th century by the city's founder, Elector Friedrich IV, aiming for efficient urban development. The streets intersect at right angles, creating numerous squares and facilitating easy navigation, a characteristic that sets Mannheim apart from many other European cities with more organic layouts. The city's geographical location is strategic, situated at the confluence of the Rhine and Neckar rivers. This positioning historically made Mannheim a vital transportation and trade hub, connecting northern and southern Europe. The Rhine River, one of Europe's major waterways, has played a crucial role in shaping Mannheim's economic development and cultural exchanges over centuries. Delving into the historical milestones, Mannheim has witnessed numerous significant events. During the 30 Years' War, the city faced destruction but was rebuilt, reflecting resilience and adaptability. In the 19th century, Mannheim emerged as an industrial center, with manufacturing thriving in sectors such as machinery, chemicals, and textiles. The city's Industrial Revolution era laid the groundwork for its modern economic landscape. Architecturally, Mannheim boasts a fascinating mix of styles. The Baroque Palace, also known as Mannheim Palace, is one of the most impressive Baroque structures in Germany. Built in the early 18th century, it served as the residence of the electors of the Palatinate and now functions as part of the University of Mannheim. The palace's grandeur and expansive grounds symbolize the city's historical significance and artistic heritage. Speaking of the University of Mannheim, it's one of the most renowned educational institutions in Germany, especially in economics, social sciences, and business administration. Established in 1967, it has grown into a global leader, attracting students from around the world. The university's innovative programs and research centers contribute significantly to Mannheim's intellectual vibrancy. Culturally, Mannheim offers a rich tapestry of events, museums, theaters, and festivals. The Kunsthal Mannheim is a prominent art museum showcasing modern and contemporary artworks, reflecting the city's dedication to fostering artistic expression. The National Theatre Mannheim hosts a variety of performances, opera, ballet, drama, serving as a cultural hub for residents and visitors alike. Music also plays a vital role in Mannheim's cultural scene. The city is known as the birthplace of the Mannheim School, a classical music movement in the 18th century that influenced composers like Mozart and Beethoven. The Mannheim Steamroller, a renowned musical group, also draws inspiration from this rich musical heritage, blending classical and modern sounds. Mannheim's economy is diverse, encompassing automotive, engineering, information technology, and logistics sectors. The city is home to several large companies and industrial parks, fostering innovation and employment. The proximity to the Frankfurt metropolitan area enhances Mannheim's connectivity, facilitating international trade and business development. In addition to its economic vitality, Mannheim is also committed to sustainability and green initiatives. The city has invested heavily in expanding parks, green spaces, and eco-friendly transportation options. The Lusen Park, one of Europe's most beautiful parks, features botanical gardens, waterfalls, and recreational facilities, providing residents with a peaceful environment amid urban life. Transportation infrastructure in Mannheim is highly developed. The city boasts an extensive public transit system, including trams, buses, and train stations connecting to major European cities. Mannheim Hauptbahnhof is a major railway hub, offering high-speed connections to Frankfurt, Stuttgart, and beyond. The city's strategic location makes it a gateway for international travel and commerce. Mannheim also nurtures a diverse population, with communities representing various cultural backgrounds. This multicultural environment enriches local traditions, cuisine, and festivals. Annual events like the Mannheimer Hafenfest celebrate the city's maritime heritage, while the International Short Film Festival attracts filmmakers from across the globe. Education is a cornerstone of Mannheim's development. Beyond the university, the city hosts numerous vocational schools and research institutes. Collaboration between academia and industry accelerates innovation and provides a skilled workforce, ensuring the city remains competitive in the global economy. Sports enthusiasts find plenty to enjoy in Mannheim. The city is home to several football clubs, basketball teams, and athletic clubs. The Karl-Benz Stadion hosts football matches, while the SAP Arena is a venue for concerts and ice hockey games. These facilities foster community spirit and promote healthy lifestyles. Mannheim's culinary scene is equally diverse. Traditional German dishes coexist with international cuisines brought by immigrant communities. Local specialties include Sauerbraten, a marinated pot roast, and Mannheimer Schnitzel, reflecting regional flavors. The city's numerous cafés and restaurants provide vibrant social spaces for residents and visitors. Environmental consciousness is evident in Mannheim's urban planning. The city has adopted policies to reduce emissions, promote renewable energy, and enhance waste management. Initiatives like solar panel installations on public buildings showcase Mannheim's commitment to a sustainable future. The city's social fabric is strengthened through numerous community programs, cultural exchanges, and support networks.